Hello crochet friends, welcome back to Paris Crochet Flow. My name is Paris and today is Thursday, February 22nd, 2024, and I'm here with a few finished objects, one work in progress just because I don't want to share all my works in progress. You've seen them in the past, and a few yarn acquisitions because yesterday I had said I wouldn't be buying yarn, but unfortunately I went into a nice yarn store and I couldn't help myself, so I'll be showing you that as well. So today I'm not going to take too much of your time because I would like first of all to show you my new chicken. Not necessarily new, I know a lot of people are making chicken and I already made a tutorial 6 months ago. This is going to be an updated tutorial, which as I record this video, I've already posted a tutorial on the chubby chicken, which is an updated version of my original one, and it's very easy to follow. It's beginner friendly, and it's you should be able to make that crochet with that chicken within 30 minutes. At least that's how much time I took, and it's as easy as making a basket with decorations of comb and a beak. Anyways, I'll be showing you that chicken. I'll also show you a Pikachu that I had ahead for a long time up there, and I intended to finish. Finally I finished. Unfortunately I didn't make any notes, but I intend to make notes as well. And also I'll show you one fish that I intend to work up again and make it better. I also finished a hat. I'll show you all these items. So let's start with the chicken because it's kind of my hot topic for now. So I made 4, and all of them I've made them within a span of 2 days. So yesterday I made, I believe, 3, and today I made 1 when I was recording the tutorial, and I am going to attach the tutorial in the description of this video as well, in case you've not seen it before. And I also have an older version of chicken tutorial from 6 months ago, but this one is supposed to be way easier than the first one. So it's very chubby, uses yarn size number 7, and I used a chenille yarn weight number 7. It's going to, the information is in the tutorial, so if you're interested, go ahead and check out the tutorial and make the chickens. Honestly, this is very easy to make. I know there's, like I have said, there's so many chicken out there and they are all beautiful, but I have my take on the chicken, and I made one tutorial. It wasn't as concise as this one. This one I did my best to make it as beginner friendly as I could. And the beauty with this chicken is it also has a tail, which is a very easy way to add, and the tail was added using 5 treble crochets. So that's it. That's my new chicken. It's updated from 6 months. I hope you go make that chicken. Have fun. Happy crocheting. That's the first item I have finished, 4 of those. The other thing I made is a fish. Sometimes back I made a fish that was a gift for someone, and I'm going to be making notes for this one and hopefully get around to maybe even writing a pattern. But it's very easy. It's sort of the same concept as you would use making a bee. So it's just working in the rounds and just adding these sort of fins at the once you finish, and this is just fanning around that the end there. Once you close, you make a fanning fin like that. So that's a fish. I'm happy with it, but I'm here to write notes on that. I also made another pudgy penguin, and these penguins are by Mary Makes. This one is kind of washed out just because it's in pink and white. I intend to make blue ones. The last time I made blue ones for my market, 2 of them, and they sold on the same day, so I'm hoping to make many more of these. I probably will make some brighter pink, and I'll make maybe 2 of blue ones before my market comes, or even more. So this one are easy. I'm going to attach the I'm going to put, sorry, I'm going to put the link down below to Mary Makes for the Pudgy Penguin. Now I also finished Pikachu. I know it doesn't look like Pikachu completely. Pikachu-inspired stuffie. I shouldn't say I made Pikachu because he's just inspired by, the stuffie is inspired by the Pokemon character or whatever. And I had this head up there for some time without the red parts, and I just thought, why not just try and finish it? So I made the body and I added some arms which are a bit chunky, and I made a tail. I'll hopefully get around to writing this. This is gonna probably take me some time just because it has a little more details than I would say, for example, a chicken. This one has a little more details, and if I were to do a tutorial, it's gonna be way long. So maybe I'll just write up a pattern and I'll let you know when I have it up. Or you could go ahead and find other patterns. There are some makers who've already written such patterns, and you can go ahead and try make yours, but he's pretty cute. That's that. And I also finished a hat, and this hat I used, let me just take off this because it makes the sounds. So this hat I used only front post double crochets, and that's why it has that beautiful almost knit fabric, and it's very stretchy. And I also applied one of my labels there. And the binding I finished as usual, like I have explained before. I make alternated front post and back post double crochet, and I also have a tutorial in my channel for how I make front post and back post double crochet for the binding. And that's my hat. This hat is very stretchy, and this yarn is very, very beautiful. The name of this yarn is the name of this yarn is the colorway is, I believe I had seen somewhere, Night Sky. Yeah, Night Sky. And it's by Knit Picks. I don't know if it's gonna focus. And the yarn is an alpaca blend. It's 33% alpaca, 34% wool, and 33% acrylic. And I believe that's why it's very, very stretchy. So it's I believe 66% natural. Yeah, 67% natural fiber. So it's very beautiful. It's just a little bit itchy because the acrylic just makes it that softer. And this is going to be a gift for someone. I just have to block it to size, because even if it's stretchy, I need it to at least look like it belongs to an adult. So that's my hat, and it's an alpaca blend, and the yarn is an upcycled alpaca blend, worsted weight by Knit Picks, Week Crochet or whatever. And it should be the care information is to hand wash it and dry flat. So it's a really, really beautiful yarn. I still have more of this yarn. I got it sometimes back. I did show you the haul, and that's what it looks like. The packaging by Knit Picks, very beautiful and very, very easy to work up. I really enjoyed making that hat because the yarn is very soft. Okay, now I'll show you my yarn acquisitions so that we can conclude this video. So I got this black yarn, and it's 100% natural fiber because it is I know I had seen the information somewhere. It's 60% superfine alpaca, 40% mulesing free highland wool or whatever. So that's 100% of wool or whatever, alpaca and wool, and it's gorgeous. I intend to make myself a vest. That was the idea, but it could either make a vest or a t-shirt. This one is probably going to have to wait for a long time before I get before I get to making anything using that yarn. But yeah, I got that yarn. I also got a boucle yarn, which is 70% alpaca and 30% highland, and I got a pattern from the store where I bought the yarn, which is forget the name of the store. Maybe I'll write it down below. When I got the yarn, she gave me a pattern that I can work up using only one skein, and I really loved it because of the berry color. Just looks like wine. I don't know if you can see the color properly, and it's also the boucle texture is really beautiful, and I saw a hat they had worked up, and I really want to see how mine will turn out. So this one will be a neat hat for sure. So that's that. Those are my finished objects. That is my yarn acquisition. I am not buying too much yarn lately because I already have enough. I don't know if you've noticed my t-shirt says I crochet, but my favorite hobby is collecting yarn. So I think I'm collecting more yarn than I am crocheting, but that's, I guess, what happens. So go ahead and check out my tutorial on the chicken. Make some chubby chickens for your market, and send me some feedback in the comments down below so I can know what I can improve in my next tutorial, if there is going to be one. But I think there is already enough chickens, so the next tutorial might be something different. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Happy crocheting, happy making. Just go with the flow, and I'll see you next time. Be kind to one another. Bye.